Welcome to the review source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best multi-tools for mountain bikes, ranked by price, performance, and real-world features. Whether you're adjusting a slipping derailleur, fixing a broken chain, or tightening bolts after a rough descent, these tools will keep you rolling and save your ride. Compact, versatile, and easy to carry, they're must-haves for every rider. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Crankbrothers M17 bike tool. First up, we have the Crankbrothers M17, a trail favorite that's built for riders who demand both reliability and versatility. This tool packs 17 functions into a slim fold-out design, including hex wrenches from 2 to 8 millimeters, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, 4 spoke wrench sizes, an 8 millimeter and a 10 millimeter open wrench, a T25 Torx driver for disc rotors, and of course, a robust chain tool. It's designed with high tensile steel construction, giving it a sturdy feel that inspires confidence even under tough torque. Riders appreciate how the M17 balances coverage and portability. At just over 6.5 ounces and about 3.5 inches long, it's compact enough for a saddlebag or hip pack, but still long enough to provide solid leverage. The side plates are contoured for grip, making it easier to use even with gloves. User reviews highlight its dependability. Many riders report that the chain tool has saved their rides multiple times, with one rider noting they've used the M17 for years without breaking it. Customers consistently praise its durability, quality, and smart tool selection, saying it covers nearly everything they've ever needed trailside.
Number 2. Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite. At number 2, we have something a little different, the Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite, a multi-tool kit that's basically a mini workshop in your pocket. Instead of fixed fold-out arms, this set comes with a compact ratcheting wrench and a set of precision bits, including hex keys, Torx T25, and a Phillips screwdriver, all stored neatly in a slim case. The ratchet itself is small but strong, and because it actually ratchets, it makes bolt adjustments faster and more ergonomic than folding multi-tools. With an extension bar included, you can also reach tight or awkward spots that would be impossible with a standard folder. This tool is ideal for riders who love to fine-tune their setups. Adjusting a saddle tilt or cockpit angle mid-ride becomes a quick job instead of a struggle. Reviewers rave about the feel of the ratchet, saying it's smooth, durable, and much quicker to use than folding designs. One rider even mentioned that they use it not just on the trail, but also for quick home adjustments because it feels like a proper shop tool. The Rocket Lite is light, at just 135 grams, and its nylon case keeps everything tidy and silent in your pack. The trade-off, however, is that you're dealing with multiple loose pieces. Drop a bit in the grass and you'll be hunting around for it. It also doesn't include a chain tool, so some riders carry a separate breaker. Still, for those who want a premium, ergonomic multi-tool system that's faster and more comfortable to use than traditional folders, the Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite is a top-tier choice. Number 3. Tool IB3 I-Beam Fold Up. In the third spot, we've got the Tool IB3, which brings the brand's legendary shop tool quality into a rugged, portable format. The IB3 features 8 hex wrenches, a T25 Torx driver, a flat blade screwdriver, 3 spoke wrenches, and an integrated chain tool, all built around a distinctive I-beam spine that makes it extra rigid. That spine design not only keeps it compact, but also ensures excellent leverage and durability, even when dealing with stubborn bolts. At 176 grams, it's not the lightest tool on the list, but riders love the trade-off. The extra heft translates into strength and stability, even when dealing with stubborn bolts. One standout feature is the chain tool, which includes a built-in holder for a spare chain pin or quick link, a detail that shows Tool's experience with real-world mechanics. Users highlight its sturdiness and reliability, with many saying it feels as close as you can get to a shop-grade multi-tool in your pocket. The spoke wrenches in particular are well machined and bite nibbles securely, avoiding slippage and rounding. Riders have praised it for saving the day on trails when a wheel needed truing or a chain snapped. The IB3 is a bit longer than minimalist tools, which actually makes it easier to handle when you need leverage. The only downsides are its size. It's bulkier than ultralight options. But overall, if you want a serious heavy-duty multi-tool built to last for years to come, the IB3 is the one you can trust.
Number 4, ROCKBROS 16-in-1 Multifunction Portable. Next up, the ROCKBROS 16-in-1 Multifunction Portable Multi-Tool, the budget-friendly powerhouse that gives you a wide tool set at a fraction of the cost of premium models. As the name suggests, you get 16 functions packed into a foldable design, including hex keys, screwdrivers, a Torx bit, spoke wrenches, and a compact chain tool. It's everything you need for most roadside or trailside fixes. At just 190 grams, it's fairly lightweight, and its fold-up design makes it easy to toss into a bag or even a pocket. The big draw here is value. At a price far lower than Crankbrothers or Park Tool, you still get solid coverage of essential functions. Riders often buy this as a backup tool or keep it stashed in a commuting bag, glove box, or with a second bike. It's a great choice for beginner riders who want to be prepared without spending big. Of course, at this price there are trade-offs. The tolerances aren't as tight as with higher-end multi-tools, and the metal isn't as hardened. That means if you crank on a seized bolt, there's a higher chance of rounding. Some users recommend using slow, steady pressure instead of brute force.
Number 5. Topeak Mini 9-function bicycle tool. Finally, rounding out our list is the Topeak Mini 9, a minimalist multi-tools for riders who want the bare essentials in the lightest possible package. This tool offers just 9 functions, including commonly used hex wrenches, a T25 Torx driver, and a Phillips screwdriver. It's constructed from high-quality, hardened steel and fits into a compact, lightweight frame. Users love it for its portability and simplicity, with many saying it's their always-carry multi-tool for shorter rides or races. Some riders even keep it as a secondary tool to complement a larger kit, since it's so small and reliable. And there you have it, the top 5 best multi-tools for mountain bikes. If you want the tough all-rounder, go with the Crankbrothers M17. For speed and ergonomics, the Topeak Ratchet Lite gives you a true ratchet in your pocket. For shop-level durability, the Park Tool IB3 is unmatched. If you're on a budget, the ROCKBROS 16-in-1 covers all the essentials without breaking the bank. And for the ultralight minimalist, the Topeak Mini 9 is as simple and portable as it gets. Which multi-tool do you rely on for your rides? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your go-to setup. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your riding buddies. Thanks for watching, and see you out on the trails.